In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stockcharts Relative Strength. By the end, you'll know exactly how to compare one stock's performance against another, or against a market index, using a simple ratio chart on Stockcharts. Start by heading to stockcharts.com. You can use either of the two main charting tools available there, SharpCharts or ACP. Both will let you create a relative strength ratio chart. SharpCharts is the classic view with a straightforward layout, while ACP offers a more modern, interactive interface. Whichever you pick, the process is the same, so choose the one you're most comfortable with. Once the charting tool is open, look for the symbol box at the top of the page. This is where you'll enter the ratio you want to chart. The format is important. Type the first symbol, then a colon, then the second symbol, like Stock 1, Stock 2, with no spaces. What you're doing here is telling the chart to divide the price of the first symbol by the second over time. That creates a line that shows relative performance. A rising line means the first symbol is outperforming the second. A falling line means it's underperforming. Here's a concrete example. Type AAPL, SPX into the symbol box. The dollar sign is how Stockcharts denotes major indexes, so SPX represents the S&P 500. This ratio will show you how Apple is doing relative to the overall market. If the line trends upward, Apple has been gaining ground compared to the S&P 500. If it trends downward, it's been lagging. If it moves sideways, Apple's performance has been roughly in line with the index. After you've entered the ratio, press Go to load the chart. You'll see the ratio plot render just like a regular price chart. But remember, you're looking at performance relative to the second symbol, not absolute price. Keep your eye on the slope. That's the quickest way to judge leadership or weakness. Smooth uptrends typically signal consistent outperformance, while persistent downtrends point to underperformance. A couple of quick tips as you work with ratios. Make sure you use the colon, not a slash, and avoid spaces. Order matters. Stock 1. Stock 2 shows Stock 1 versus Stock 2, so if you flip them, you'll flip the story. Also, this is different from the RSI indicator. The ratio chart compares two securities directly, which is especially helpful for spotting leaders within sectors or against the broad market. That's it. Go to SharpCharts or ACP. Enter your ratio in the Stock 1, Stock 2 format. Use examples like AAPL, SPX to compare against the market, and press. Go to see the relative strength chart.